Have your conservatory insulated in time for Christmas? Yes, we can still install our exclusive Conservaheat system to your conservatory during the COVID-19 lockdown period, in line with the government guidelines. Our installation team will ensure that every safety measure is taken to maximise the safety of you and themselves. If you book to have your conservatory insulated by the deadline of the 18th of November, you could be enjoying your warmer conservatory in time for Christmas. And better still, receive a massive 25% off the conservatory installations list price. All you need to do to find out more is click the link, fill in the contact form, and a member of our friendly team will contact you to answer any questions you may have and book your free no obligation quote within 1 hour. Alternatively, you can call Ashley, our project manager, on 07940 262253. Keep watching to find out how the Conservaheat system can benefit you and create extra space in your home this winter.
Once upon a time, there were 3 conservatories. In summer, one was too hot. In winter, one was too cold.
But the one with the unique foil quilt system was always just right.
Suitable for all roof styles and an energy-saving product with just 5% VAT. Cheaper than a new tiled roof.
And with a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee.
Hi, I'm Louisa from Insulate-it. One of the most unused rooms in any home is the conservatory. This is due to the unoptimised thermal properties of your conservatory roof. Is your conservatory unbearably hot during the summer and freezing cold in the winter? Do you struggle to enjoy your conservatory because the temperature is just too uncomfortable? If this sounds familiar, we have a unique, proven solution designed specifically to solve these problems. For a lot less cost than a whole new conservatory roof replacement, we can convert your conservatory into the perfect, comfortable living space that you can enjoy all year round. Introducing Conservaheat, as seen on TV, the only insulation solution that is designed specifically for insulating conservatory roofs. Conservaheat is an ultra-high performing conservatory roof insulation system that reflects up to 98% of radiant energy, meaning on summer days the sun heat rays are reflected away from your conservatory instead of being amplified into the room. The result is a cool room that is enjoyable to be in with less sunlight glare that can also fade your furniture. In winter, Conservaheat prevents heat from escaping through your conservatory roof and reflects it back into the room, meaning your conservatory keeps warmer for longer, saving on costly energy bills. The added vapour control layer built into Conservaheat means there is less chance of condensation, while the acoustic properties mean outside rain and traffic noise is greatly reduced. The Conservaheat high-performing conservatory insulation system is exclusive to us and our installers, meaning choosing any other solution for your conservatory roof means compromising on performance. As a valued insulated customer, you will receive a huge 25% off the price of Conservaheat installation and the option to pay nothing for 12 months. If you would like a free no obligation quote and exclusive discount, please fill in the form and a member of our survey team will contact you within 24 hours to arrange either a home visit or a video survey at a time that suits you. Alternatively, you can phone or text our project manager direct on 07940 262253 and quote Insulate-it 25 to receive your exclusive discount. Thank you from the Insulate-it team, and we are looking forward to meeting you very soon.